and you are the niche leader to the bankruptcy section of Great Legal Marketing.
Yes.
And for those of you who don't know Great Legal Marketing is a program by Ben Glass which teaches lawyers how to market themselves using information marketing. And Jim, you've been a part of Great Legal Marketing for what, 4 or 5?
Since 2008, so about 5 years.
And you were asked to be a niche leader there because you are a leader, you've had so much success, you're an entrepreneurial guy, and your role is to teach other bankruptcy lawyers how to do it.
Right.
And that's really, I mean, I said it in a nutshell, right? Like
It
they can
is.
skip a bunch of steps.
Yeah, and we've gone, above and beyond to do that, not only to get them into, when I first looked into Great Legal Marketing, it was to build a personal injury side of the practice. But as soon as I got in, probably the most important lesson I learned was, how can I use that in my bankruptcy practice? And when I joined GLM in 2008, 2009, my business went up 30%. 2010, it went up another 20%. And it was just instituting the things that we've never done. And so following all the GLM principles and putting it into play in bankruptcy just mushroomed what we were doing already. So now I just enjoy being able to show somebody else that, whether they're adding a practice area, or whether they're brand new out of law school and they just want to jump into bankruptcy and do it on their own. The members of our group kind of go across the board.
Right.
But I love being able to supply them with the systems and the things that we have, the forms, the intake stuff, to just reduce the learning curve so that they can go from this point to profitability as fast as possible.
And your marketing is very sophisticated, and you share how you do it, and you set everybody up through the niche education.
Yes, I do. And one of the most important things is it didn't get sophisticated overnight. It's one of those things where we started with direct response marketing, and then we started writing material. Then we added a book, and then we did web content, and then we did direct mail, and then we've done this, and now it is this big extensive system, and all of the competition looks at it and goes, there's no way I'm ever going to do that.
And you've made mistakes.
Absolutely.
So you can also say, well, don't do that. We did that, it didn't work out. Or if you're going to do that, don't do it the way I did it.
And that's probably the most important reason to belong to a niche group.
Right.
Is you can follow somebody who's already been through this and can tell you what not to do and what to do. One of the things I learned is to be honest, is not to switch from Foster Web Marketing. I did that because I thought it was cheaper, and the amount of money it cost me was ridiculous. So I'm back and I'm following the principles you've always put in place, and we're seeing the benefits of it.
Well, thanks. And we call Jim around here the prodigal son because he did wander off in the night, and now he's back. We got him back, and now we're getting you better and on to bigger and better things. I'm really excited about the new practice area and helping you get those cases.
Good.
So Jim Brown, once again, great to see you. Thank you very much for coming in the studio for this interview. If people are interested in getting involved in the Great Legal Marketing niche, you can go to greatlegalmarketing.com, click on the bankruptcy button and get more information and talk to James about how he can help you. I am Tom Foster with Foster Web Marketing. This is Legal Leaders TV with my good friend James Brown. If you want to learn how to do bankruptcy law, or if you're looking for the best bankruptcy lawyer around, he's your guy. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.